Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Wave apps, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your customer list from Wave apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your customer list from Wave apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common to switch over to new software, and you want to make sure you bring your customers with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download your customer list, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on business settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu right here in blue. So you want to scroll all the way down until you see this data export. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So you can download Excel or CSV. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose Excel. Okay, next you're going to see a green pop-up, and they're going to let you know they will email your complete data. Once you receive that email, you're going to click on the link, and then it's going to open up a zip file. Let me go ahead and show you what that file looks like. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up the file. So it was a zip file, and I received it within about, I think it was like 60 seconds. So depending on what kind of data you have, it might take longer. So once you open it up, it's going to include these: accounting, bill items, customers, and vendors. So you can go ahead and open up your customers list, and I'm not going to open it up for privacy reasons, but it's going to include their name, their email address, all the data that you have on those customers. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to export or download your customer list from Wave apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.